Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you BullX, a beginner guide. First, go to the BullX website and sign up for an account by entering your basic information. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can access all the tools and features of the platform. To start trading, click on the Trade tab. You can choose from a range of assets including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Next, pick the assets you want to trade. Once you've made your selection, you'll be asked to enter the amount you wish to invest. At this point, you can also decide whether you want to buy or sell the asset. Before placing your order, make sure to check the market trends and the news section, as it provides valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. Once you're ready, click Place Order to complete the trade. To track your investments, head over to the portfolio section, where you'll be able to see your active trades and their performance. BullX also offers educational resources like tutorials and webinars to help beginners get comfortable with trading. Be sure to take advantage of these resources as you learn the ropes. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to try using the demo account first. This will allow you to practice trading with virtual money before risking real funds. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.